Across Hawaii, Furikake fries have moved from novelty to menu staple. Crispy fries finished with a crunchy, savory Furikake seasoning that makes each bite pop. In this video are 5 standout spots where locals and visitors alike order this island-fied take on classic French fries. What to expect: golden brown fries made from quality potatoes, tossed hot so the seasoning sticks, and served with creative sides or dips depending on the chef's twist. Also, for those do-it-yourself kind of people, I have included recommended recipes and other tips in the description of this video. The first spot on our list is Ono Seafood's Furikake fries in Honolulu. Ono Seafood pairs its fresh Idoi seafood heritage with a robust Furikake blend. Expect fries that lean savory and slightly briny, often listed as a top local dish for sharing. Great for takeout. Then we have Coco Head Cafe's Take Kaimuki, Honolulu. Coco Head elevates the snack with a gourmet finish and thoughtful plating. Their version often features unique toppings or a finishing oil for added depth. Best for a sit-down treat. Our third spot is Murphy's Bar & Grill's Furikake Delight in Waikiki. Murphy's serves crispy, crowd-pleasing Furikake fries with a creamy wasabi mayo side that adds a peppery kick. The combo is popular as a bar side or shared plate. Our next spot, and one of my personal favorites, is the Pig and the Lady's Creative Furikake Fries in downtown Honolulu. Known for inventive flavors, the Pig and the Lady sometimes tops fries with a Furikake-style rice-inspired garnish or fusion elements that highlight umami and texture, perfect for adventurous palates. And rounding up our top 5 is He Fat General Store's classic version in Chinatown. He Fat offers a straightforward, nostalgic take. High-quality fries dusted with a well-balanced Furikake for a reliably savory snack. Classic, no-fuss favorite. 2. Honorable mentions we have to tell you about are Leonard's Bakery and Formaggio Grill. Leonard's Bakery, known for malasadas, Leonard's has been spotted offering Furikake seasoned fries at times, pairing the Island Bakery's sensibility with savory snack cravings. Formaggio Grill, which is in Kapahulu, Formaggio Grill sometimes features an elevated version with truffle oil and parmesan, alongside Furikake notes for a fusion twist. Each restaurant brings a slightly different approach. Some focus on the perfect crisp of the fries, others on a bold Furikake blend or a memorable dipping mayo. When ordering, look for notes about portion size and whether the fries are tossed while still hot. That's when the seasoning adheres best and the aroma is strongest. While I hope these descriptions help you find the perfect fry for your own cravings, my passion for this project runs deeper than just good food. A portion of the proceeds from items purchased through any of my Amazon affiliate links will be donated towards eradicating Parkinson's disease, a condition I was diagnosed with in 2017. Discovering new flavors and sharing them with you has become a way to channel my energy into something positive, and every purchase through the blog helps fund the research for a cure. Overall, we hope you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget, you can help support the channel by clicking on this links in the video's description. With that being said, thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe for more great content. Have a blessed day.